Hey fellas, so I am back with another video, or you can say audio, because there is not much to see in my videos. So let's say audio. Okay, so now this one is about the French Open tennis. I am a big fan of tennis. It is like my number one favorite sport of all time, and for many years. So now the French Open semi-finals, and I'm only talking about men's tennis because that is what I watch and that is what I enjoy, and I also play sometime. So now the semi-finals are set. It is Zverev versus De Minaur or De Minaur, and then the other semi-final is Sinner versus Alcaraz. So first let us get one thing out of the way, that Zverev will not win the championship. He will win tomorrow's. I think the semi-finals are tomorrow, because semi-finals always at French Open and Wimbledon and Australian Open, they always take place, or at least back when I used to watch tennis, they used to take place on Fridays. I don't know what the system is or schedule is now, because I stopped watching many years ago, because tennis became kind of boring. It is the same style play every match, every player, 400 short rallies, and no variety, a lot of monotony. And it is just my personal opinion. I still follow results and I watch bits of matches or sometimes highlights, but I don't follow every match and I don't watch the whole match. And I of all these four players, I have never watched one single full match, or even I don't think I even watch highlights for these guys. But this is the new generation, so there is nothing else to watch for me and nothing else to talk about, so I am talking about it. So let us get one thing out of the way. There are only two guarantees in life: death and Zverev not winning Grand Slam. So Zverev will not win Grand Slam, which means he will not win French Open 2024, and he might lose in semi-final. But if you ask me what my prediction was, I think I will predict Zverev to win semi-final and advance to final, and it will be in 3 straight sets. Now to the more interesting matchup, which is Sinner versus Alcaraz or Alcaraz, Carlito or Carlos. But this is interesting matchup because they are both very young. They are both closer to 20 than to 30. So they still have a lot of time in their careers, and both have won Grand Slam in past. So one of them will win this Grand Slam. Now who will win this Grand Slam is the question, and the answer is, and my personal choice in terms of who I think is better, more interesting, or my favorite player, you can say. Between these two, not a favorite player like really favorite, but between these two, if I have to pick my poison, then I will pick Sinner, because I think I don't quite like Alcaraz. Sinner is better, and it will be better and more tolerable for me if he defeat Alcaraz and went to final, and then in final he beat Zverev. So my prediction, like the topic of this video, is Zverev versus Sinner in the final, and Sinner will win the championship. But this is not prediction video for final, this is prediction video for semi final. So once again, it will be Zverev winning in straight sets and then Sinner winning in 4 sets. That is my prediction, and the 4th set with the Sinner and Carlotto will not be very close. They will be one-sided seats. Maybe one of them will go to one of those seats will go to what is it called, the tie break, but otherwise it will be a straightforward win for Sinner. So that is my prediction for these videos. Now I must go home and get my work started. So I will see you again maybe later today, another video about another interesting topic, or maybe you can say audio, or I can make another audio tomorrow. So we will see, but stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and we will talk, or I will talk and you will listen. Bye bye and have a good day. Bye bye.